I've spent my whole life obsessed with food, always having a tumultuous relationship with it. Being a type 1 diabetic for the past 8 years has just amplified my disordered eating. Everyone seems to have an opinion on how I should manage my diabetes. Should I eat low carb, high carb, or you shouldn't bake at all because you're diabetic? But what if I was to tell you that I purely bake because of the way that it's helped heal me? I bake for my soul. I love watching how single ingredients come together to make something completely brand new. Each ingredient is crucial in the creation of these egg tarts. From the egg, to the flour, to the sugar, each is equal and plays its unique role perfectly. My hands are my favorite tool to use when baking. Feeling every single grain of sugar allows me to connect deeper with the ingredients. I always feel like my best baking recipes and kitchen witchery is when I'm connected to the ingredients and their story. Baking egg tarts reminds me of painting and sculpting. Using my hands to be creative, because our hands are an extension of our heart, of our soul. Whenever I use my hands, creativity flows out and I feel truly connected to my heart and sacral chakras. It reminds me that opportunities for creativity are all around us. One just has to be willing to look. Baking allows you to be bold and try new things without fear or judgment. Allowing myself to experiment and be creative has helped heal some of my deepest hurt around food. And it is one of the things that has helped me in my diabulimia recovery. Showing gratitude for this universe is the single most important step in my journey. And baking allows my gratitude to shine so brightly. I am so grateful for all the eggs of opportunity in my soul's basket. Grateful for all of the cows and their milk, and the farmers' hard work and dedication to their craft. I am so grateful to see all of the beautiful colors that are created from mixing. I get to view the palette of life. With each pour, stir, and look, there's always intention absorbed into the recipe. Love is always and will always be the base for my kitchen witchery. Magic thrives on love. Focus and intention are key to any kitchen witch spell. Harnessing the energy and symbolism from each of your ingredients will make your kitchen witchery more powerful. Touch, taste, smell, sight, and sound are all tools to help you connect deeper with your ingredients. Focusing the emotion or feeling of the outcome that you're trying to manifest is super important with each step, so I always take the extra time to connect with that energy. Seeing my egg tarts come together allows me to release any fears or worries and focus on pure creation. Every touch, every knead, every stir, every pour fills my soul's cup. The heat symbolizes purification in each kitchen witch recipe I do. It seals the spell into the universe and into these egg tarts. Life is precious, and it's important to be grateful for all of the amazing things that you have in your life, for this world is so abundant. Magic and abundance surround each of us. You just have to be willing to look. Baking has a power like no other. It has allowed me to have the best relationship with food. It has healed dark wounds in my life. It allows me to be creative and expressive. It has taught me the importance of gratitude and being grateful for all the triumphs and failures in your life. It allows me to experience all the abundance that this world has to give. And it has allowed me to see all of the magic that is in our lives. And that's why I love baking. You put your butt in front of the camera, puppy. I guess that's the end of the video, guys.